If you want to make like $2,000, $3,000, $4,000, $500, $200 on monthly basis, stay tuned and watch this video. Let me tell you some certain websites you will go and start making such money if you can work. But the problem with most people is that they think that they will just do it that day. You don't do anything that day. You have to give it time. So if you are a programmer, a web designer, a video editor, or a graphic designer, and more, even if you don't have job at all, you don't learn all these things, you don't know them, you can still make money with the website I'm going to tell you now. A lot of people know it, but let me tell you those websites so that you can go there and make a cool money if you want to make it. Now, there's one we call Fiverr.com. Fiverr.com is one of the biggest of them. It hosts a lot of clients and workers. So the only thing you need to do is when you go there, register, click on registration form. Register as somebody who want to hire. Register as somebody who want to work. You want to work, then register, feed the whole thing. You can register from any part of the world. But why it is good to register as a US citizen most of the time is because people value people from there. But it doesn't mean as long as you can work, just register from the country you are. Fill every form. People will contact you for job. When they contact you for job, you do the job you know how to do very well and send it to them. They will pay you. The website protects your payment. So once the person accepts they will pay you. So don't fear about that one. Another one is Upworks. Upworks is another good website which you can do this thing. Just go and register as somebody who want to work. They will give you option. You want to hire or you want to work. You choose you want to work. You register for that. When job come, you get it. You work it perfectly. Then you make your good cash. Some have enough job. There are some people I will contact sometimes. They won't even have time to do job for me. So you can go there and register and start doing job. Another one is freelancer.com. Go and register. This job I'm telling you now is called freelancing work. So for those who don't have any job at all, they register there, get the job, give it to people who do it in a cheaper price, then present it to their client. They will have paid that person first. Their client will pay them. Some will get ×3 of the money the first person should have paid them. That is the person they paid. They get money ×3 of it. So you don't have any excuse to give that you are not working unless you don't want to work. As long as you have your phone, you have your laptop, you can work. Go there and register. Since you don't have any work you learn, go there and register. People will contact you. They will give. In fact, a lot of people who you see there have no job. The only job they have is when they get the job, they give it to a lower customer who will do it for them. When they have done it, they present it to their client. Their client will pay them. That is what a lot of people do. And you can do it as a man. You can do it as a woman. If you have been looking for something to do on the internet and you don't know how to start, this is a very good opportunity for you to start that one. Don't say I did not give you information. This is a very big information. Go and do it. Upworks.com, Fiverr.com, Freelancer.com. You might even know other ones. And LinkedIn is another good opportunity. Go and register there. And if you are looking for who will do job for you, go to this website. They will handle it and do it for you. Any digital work you want to do. You want to do graphic design, you want to design something you want to do animation, you want to do programming, you want to do video editing. Go there and search for them. They will do it for you. You pay them. You use it and go and do what you want to do. It's a very big opportunity for those who want to work. Go and do work from that side. Don't say there's no job. This is a job. I have given you a job now.